Here's a new 2018 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, active grille shutters, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. Experience it for yourself today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.